Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Many users do not know that some apps on their phone have permission to install unknown apps. This permission allows an app to install apps from outside the Play Store. If this is enabled for the wrong app, it can be a serious security risk. So let me show you how to check and turn it off. First, open Settings on your phone. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy Protection. After that, tap on Special Permissions. Now scroll down until you find Install Unknown Apps. Tap on it. Here you will see the list of apps that have permission to install unknown apps. If you see any app that should not have this permission, tap on that app. Now you will see a toggle that says Allow from this source. Turn this toggle off for your safety. You should only allow this permission for trusted apps if absolutely necessary. Otherwise, it is better to keep it disabled. After turning it off, your phone will be safer from unwanted app installations. That is how you check and disable Install Unknown Apps permission on Android. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Android security tips and fixes.